Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, today we will discuss some important question of the chapter, how do organisms reproduce? So let's start. Now the first question is differentiate between binary fission and multiple fission. So the binary fission, as the name indicates, bi means hota hai two. So in this type of fission, the parent cell, it give rise to two daughter cells. Okay. For example, the organism, for example, like amoeba, paramecium, they show binary fission. Now, multiple fission में क्या होता है? In this type of fission, the parent cell give rise to more than two daughter cells. ठीक है, दो से ज़्यादा daughter cells बनते हैं, then it's known as multiple fission. Now, it is expressed by organism Plasmodium. Plasmodium is the example which show multiple fission. Now, here, this also one thing more. Here, the daughter cells, all the daughter cells, they are enclosed in a cyst. ठीक है, एक आउटर प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग होती है जिसमें ये सारे डॉटर सेल्स होते हैं. एंड व्हेन दिस in the favorable condition, when this covering it ruptures, then these daughter cells, they are liberated and they develop into a plasmodium. Now next question, list the advantages of vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation के क्या क्या advantages होते हैं? So the first thing is that it is easy and for the non flowering plants, जो plants होते हैं जिनमें flowering नहीं होती है, so those plants can be easily propagated by this vegetative propagation. Next is it helps in producing hybrids of various plant with improved quality. Now we can develop the improved quality. ठीक है, हम मिक्सिंग करके अलग अलग प्लांट्स के कैरेक्टर्स की मिक्सिंग करके एक इम्प्रूव्ड वैरायटी भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन से. इट हेल्प इन द प्रोपगेशन ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन अ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. कम समय में हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट्स को ग्रो कर सकते हैं. It helps in the propagation of plants that do not produce seeds or produce them in very small quantity. So the plants which are not produced by a seeds, those plants can be produced by this method. Now come to the next question. Mention any two functions of human ovary. Now human ovary के दो functions बताने हैं. So now the first function is the production of female gamete. Okay, female gamete produce करना, that is the first function. Okay, that is ovum. And the next is it secrete hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Okay, so estrogen and progesterone hormones, these hormones are responsible for maintaining pregnancy also, and then for maintaining secondary sexual characters. So that is, hormones are also produced by the ovary. Now next question is, what is syngamy? Now the process of fusion of the two gametes is known as syngamy. Now syngamy is nothing, it is a fertilization, but plants के केस में हम इसको syngamy बोलते हैं. So it is simply the fusion of two डिफरेंट गैमीट्स, दो अलग अलग गैमीट्स, मेल और फीमेल गैमीट के फ्यूजन को सिनगैमी कहते हैं. एंड इट इज़ द इनिशियल स्टेप इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिफाइन मेनोपॉज. मेनोपॉज, at the age of around 45 to 50 years, the ovaries of the female stop producing ova. So the stoppage of menstrual flow and other events like the changes in the hormonal composition is known as menopause. So menstrual cycle का stop होना, okay, at the age of 45 to 50, इसको हम बोलते हैं menopause. Next is mention the reproductive parts of the flower. So दो parts होते हैं reproductive part, male reproductive and female. Male part कहलाता है stamen and female is known as pistil. Now this stamen is further divided into two parts, anther and filament. Pistil is divided into three parts, style, stigma and ovary. Now the last question, explain the various steps of budding in yeast. Okay, now budding, as you all know, it is a asexual type of reproduction. Okay, so here what happened, a small bulb like, a small knob like structure, it protrudes, वो निकल आता है, okay, from the body of the organism. And this bulb like structure, it grow and it is known as bud. This finally grows in size, okay, size growth hoti hai, and forms an individual cell, okay. And once this bud is matured, then it breaks from the parent plant and it becomes independent to grow into a adult one, okay. So sometimes what happens, sometimes in case of yeast, the birds, sometimes chain of birds are observed, means एक bird निकली उसी के साथ दूसरी bird, so एक तरह से chain बन जाती है, okay. And when this chain is it break, then individual birds जो हैं they grow into a adult, okay. So these are few of the important questions of chapter how do organisms reproduce. Now next lecture may we will be discussing some more questions. This is all student, thank you everyone.